This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Irresistibly charming Key West custom-built pool home, this one has it all. Designed for today's family, this home features comfortable living spaces, versatile open floor plan, high ceilings, gorgeous natural lighting, tile and wood flooring, no carpet, corner sliders in living room open directly onto the patio, fabulous for entertaining, spacious kitchen west shaker cabinets, Corian countertops, breakfast bar and eat-in area west/pool and lake view, beautiful master suite and large master bath west double vanities, garden tub and shower. All bedrooms have lake views, huge bonus room, laundry room and craft room office. Enjoy your morning coffee on the covered front porch and end your day floating in the pool watching the sunset. Easy Living where HOA paints the house and takes care of the landscapin. For more information, review the details below.